Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 6. Welcome to episode 6 of Infinite Fusion Randomizer. We're starting this episode off with big thing. I found some Pokemon I like to fuse, and we're doing it. That one. Because I honestly really liked the way the fusion looked. We're doing Water Steel. Okay. Nope. There we go. I think he looks really goofy. This comes from... I was looking through Bishop's fusions, and I really liked the way the Magikarps and Gyarados looked, so I wanted to do that. So now we have a Magikarp. Magyard! Magyard wishes to take up a blade in defense of the sea. Still, its youth hinders it from seeing real combat. Inner focus is nice. Ooh, what do inner focus? Ooh, adamant. We want adamant. The mind movesets. Yay. I like the way it looks. I like the way it's... I like the way the final evolution of it looks. The problem is it's gonna be the Gyarados Ponyard fusion from level 20 until level 52. It's just Gen 5 being stupid. I love Gen 5 so much. Oh, hold on, before I rant about that, doing the SSN, getting cut, and if I can, doing the third gym in this video. If not, I'll just do it next time. But, so, I love Gen 5. It's one of my favorite generations. The problem is, oh boy, do I hate the levels it has. Why is it a slow leveler? Why does it evolve at level 52? It makes no sense. You get a Lavatar at level 1 from an egg. Now get it to level 60. Hydreigon is like one of the coolest... Ooh, fuck. Okay, we'll switch again. Like, Hydreigon is one of my favorite pseudo-legendaries, I think. But you don't get to use one at all, because it evolves at level 54. Why does it evolve at level 54? Why? Ah, fuck. Okay, bye Noria. Because I don't understand it at all. And I feel really bad for Hydreigon, because right after Gen 6 came out, and now Hydreigon has a 4 times weakness to Fairy. Which is like, oof, I'm sorry. It's moments like that when I'm like, oof, sad times. Ooh, nice. Nice. Things like that, or just like, I don't know, I like Gen 5, I really enjoy it. I like its concept, like, here's a bunch of new Pokemon, like an entire 151 Pokemon no one has ever seen before. Mossy Spores. And I was like, that's really cool, I like that. I don't get like people getting in like a tizzy about it also being like, I can't use the Pokemon I always use. I can't do that. I'm like, I get it, but at the same time, I like playing with new mons. You know, attack me? You are. I love this guy so much because you pop out there, you Bajin. And I'm like, fair, I did just walk into that room. Sweefree? Oh my god. It's cute. I like it. Ice flying. Noya can't come in because it's weak to both of those. Oh, Artorias. I gave Artorias Flame Charge as well. Ow. Because Artorias is a physical attacker, I thought I'd give it a fire type move that was physical. Makes sense. To me, at least. Okay, that's down. Nice. Currently switch training it, because, like, it's low level, and I really just wanted to make another video without grinding up Shogun. Sand Duo. Okay. Ground flying. Guess Bayleaf can come in? Bayleaf? Also, if any of you have an idea of what we should name Bayleaf, you can leave it down in the comments, and I'll choose the one I like the most. So, if you want to do that, you can. I also gave Bayleaf the Draco Plate back, and at some point Ooh, Toyman, hold on. Ooh, that'd be nice, actually. I'm gonna give it a splash. But I don't know what I was saying. Okay. If you guys want to leave a name for Bayleaf, I'll take whichever one I like the most. You gonna fight me? I always struggle with Clefable. Okay. Stable mulch. What is stable mulch? Oh, a manic. That implies that there's someone out there who would love to buy it. This isn't gonna go well. I can already tell from just the amount of people here. Yeah, Shogun and Hive Knight got this. I collect these Pokemon from all around the world. Oh, it's gonna be 3 battles in a row. Shupchick. If only if I had a move that was super effective. Oh. Poison Fire. No, you can't come in. I'm just gonna send an Artorias. No, it's Ghost Fire. Artorias was a good idea. Nightshade. Ow. Well, we may not be able to use Artorias for the rest of these battles. Okay. Yafeng. Oh, you mask? I mean, I guess. Oh. Ooh. I like that. Yamask coughing. Okay. I don't know if that does. I'm guessing it just replaces my ability. Oh, Pokemon. Do you? Oh, I don't never saw you at the party. Okay. Pipsy and Woolette. Okay. There we go. Nice. Damn. Ow. Okay. Shogun might be able to take the next turn. I'm gonna try. I think it doesn't look like full health, like half health to me. Nice. Nice. Ooh. Okay. The best thing Hive Knight can do is just attack the ones it has damage for. It's just get Hive Knight Insomnia. Fuck. That's not good. No, it has Bubble. It has to be Ball Leaf. Okay. Razor Leaf, different both. You turn to hit the Pumper. Okay. Knock it out. Nice. Yes, Noria can take whatever XP they're gonna get from Pepsi. I'm sorry, but if I got that, I'm gonna name it Pepsi. It's too close. Ooh, that was tough. Okay, definitely gonna need to level the mons here, because it's obviously not doing great. At least there's the way to sleep. Okay, what's this way? Is it the kitchen? Yeah, okay, so that's a quest I can do. There is a fight in here. Wait, what? Drowsy, intelligence, sophisticated, and wall manner, just like me. You wouldn't have had a drowsy, would you? If so, how would you like to trade it for my seal? Damn, I don't have it. Oh, you changed your mind. What if I could? Okay. So now we gotta talk to this guy. Oh, I know you. We met back in Mount Moon some time ago. You're the kid I shared my fossil with. I never forget the way you defeated me so easily. It was humiliating. I needed my revenge, so I trained extra hard in case I ever ran into you again. And here you are. Here you finally are, so I challenge you to a Pokemon battle. And to make things interesting, I'll let you have one of these other fossils I found if you can beat me. What do you think? You're on. Alright, here I come. Super Nerd Miguel. Love Skull. He's so goofy looking, I love him. Love Skull. Okay, I'll send him Bayleaf. Ooh, okay, it's boosting speed. Yeah. Razor Leaf. Okay. That's fine. So sorry about that. Okay, so that's that then. Nice. So I can go to level 17. Yeah, you're not learning Tackle. Sneelet. Oh yeah, right. Since the trainers are randomized, he's not gonna keep the same team every time or anything from it. Dark Ground. Dark Ground. I shouldn't be able to hit Noria, so they could. Oh no! Oh no! It has Arena Trap. Fury Cutter, go! Why are you boosting your speed? You're already faster. Ow! Oh, if they miss, damn. Shogun, no. Alright, I'm just sending in Hive Knight to get the job done. I feel like the idea of you turning here just to be funny. Yeah. Noria's the quick switching every time. Nice. Alright, I'll show you. That's a lot of money. You beat me again. Alright then, I have to keep my word. Which one of these fossils do you want? I'm gonna take the claw fossil. Thanks for the comment shard, buddy. I'll train even harder the next time you see me. My team will be unbeatable. He's supposed to be a really nice way to get a bunch of shinies? Fossils from different regions, but just because of a randomizer, he's completely useless. I mean, I'll take the money. Comment shards are pretty expensive. Okay, ooh, more rooms. This should be battles. Yeah, oh, you're not gonna battle me, are you? The ship is anchored in Vermilion City for a while. I wondered which city it'll go after. You know what they say about sailors and fighting? No. Poly2. Oh. Yeah. I need something to fight flying types. Oh, I have nothing good for this. I guess it's gonna have to be Artorias. I guess it has to be Bite, because Bite's like the best move I got. Nice. Soy pie. Shripy. Hey, move a little bit of this. I might be able to. Okay. Checking notifications. Okay. Yep. Scratch. Scratch it. Ow. Yeah, I don't think I'm able to do much. I think I'm gonna get one more turn off here. No. Damn it. Okay. Should, I thought it has a water type move. I think I'm gonna give the leftovers to Shogun. It just makes sense to me to have it have the leftovers, because it desperately needs them, and I think it's gonna have a pretty decent attacks, like health stat at the end. Pickle? Pickle. All I can think of is the crazy woman from Choo Choo Charles. She just wants her pickles. That's obviously what she meant. That's the pickle she wanted. Nah, you don't need focus energy. Right, good fight, mate. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. Another life orb. As you do. Meow. I like feisty kids like you. That's creepy, sir. That's at NATO. So that's what the North Atlantic Treaty Organization is. It really says something, doesn't it? Pursuit. That's funny. NATO. Okay. Let's sit down. What's coming up next? Sand V. Probably a ground type. Gonna be useful. Yeah, I was right. Ground types. Yeah, honestly, do need to just level up Shogun and Noya off camera, because they're lower level than everything else, and then everyone else is higher level than they need to be. Oh, Goopet. Goopet. Is it like Goodra? It is. Arg, I lost. The item is a Habenberry. I don't know like what berries I have to see if I can give any of them to anyone else. Oh, that's nice. That's a Tyrant one of I can get and revive fossils. And this is a double battle. Yeah, I'll keep those two in. Oh, I do have potions. Let's heal everyone up. I'm sorry, Shogun. Hello, stranger. Stop and chat. All my Pokemon are from the sea. Matey, you'll walk on the plank if you lose. I don't think that's how cruise ships work, but okay. Fisherman Barry and Sailor Philip. Cybird and Pumpskew. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Okay, so we want to, I guess, pursuit the Cybird, and then Dragon's Breath for Pumpshoe. And that's not too bad. Leech Seed sucks. And nope. Oh wow. Impressive did not beat it. Oof, not great. Okay. I'm gonna try and do U-turn to get them out of here. And yeah, Dragon's Breath for Pumpshoe again. Yes, awesome. Nice. I was gonna bring in Noria. But I know the Cybird's still a threat to them and all that. And there's still a water type and all that. But it should be fine. Nice. Pumpshoe's gone. Damn it. What? No. Just gonna hype right back in, but not confused anymore. Okay. Poison Sting. Dragon's Breath. Nice. Level up. Magical Leaf. 55, 90%, 95%, 60, and cannot miss. I will take that. Bulbachew? That looks so natural. It looks like that'd be an actual Pokemon. Introducing Bulbachew, or just like Bulbasaur standing on its hind legs. Unfortunately, it's gone now. I actually liked that. Weepinipper? Weepinipper. Yes, my favorite Pokemon. Weepinipper. Oh, it's not gone. Oh. It's gone now. Darn, I let that one get away. Oh, I got beaten by a kid. That man's a pirate, you can't tell me otherwise. XXX defense. Ugh, I don't know if this guy's gonna want. I was looking for water, it looks like it must have fallen overboard. I need an experienced trainer to take care of it, preferably someone who has obtained the Ruin's gym badge. What? Can I come back on the ship to get that? Like, I have no use for a Torkoal. I don't know. I kinda want it. I've seen Torkoal fusions, they look cool. Oh, so many more rooms. Sup, buddy? Forgot to bring my Growlith's usual food on the ship. Thankfully, Growlith doesn't mind seafood. I'm just gonna go. I know I should probably be checking the trash cans, but if there's like nothing to fight, I'm just gonna go. Which do you like? A strong or rare Pokemon? I don't know. Crocolup. Oh my god. The sass. Well, it's Bailiff 10. You cannot be 4 times weak to grass and exist when Bailiff is around. Ugh. Sand Tomb. Magical Leaf. There goes Crocopup. Primesily. Interesting. What is it gonna be? Oh. A Primate Bonsly. Oh, that is, that's a thing. Uh-huh. I don't like it. Who? Noya? Can't take damage from it. Unless it has the particular moves. Haha. So now we can Sandstorm. which I just realized is giving it a defense boost. Why must I do this after, I think? Oof, 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 fun times. What? How does eating a berry go with, yeah, defeat the Pokemon? That's not how food works. I can't just eat pasta and have a person get slapped by the food. Or a sphere. Huh. Karate chop. Ah! Oh, yeah, 4 times weak to dark. 4 times weak to fighting. How could I forget? Go Shogun, you got this. Don't get annihilated. Neither one of these gets stabbed. And I think Fury could I be better? No. I thought that'd go way better. Okay. Slowly running out of volunteer. Unfortunately, the one that will win this for us is right here. Because super effective moves are fun. Salute you. And what do we get for our efforts? Facade. That's nice. Good if I get like a flame orb or a poison orb or something. Toxic orb. That's nice. Okay, that's the third room. Nothing but the trash can. The next room. Trash can. Fighting against the young keeps me youthful. B-Reap. Eh. I don't like B-Reap. Luckily I have a fire type move, so we can get rid of B-Reap. Oh, of course it had Pursuit. Well, at least I'm fine. Flame charge. Okay. Flame charge. Static. Nice. Not bad. Nice. Let's... Ooh, I might have to use more Artorias Fit more now. An Aqua Berry. I need to use Artorias because they're one level away from becoming the final form. I wanted to go for the ship. My mummy is seasick. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go heal again. Ooh, wow. This is going on for a while. Okay, let's try and speed this up. Oop, nope. Okay, I think I have to go out here to get something. More mossy spores. Crap. Us sailors have problems too. I thought that said US sailors. I was like, sure man. Growl 2? Oh, okay. Thought it was like Growlfulu. That was my greatest Lovecraftian horror monster. Growlfulu. Orosphere. Nice. Oh, what? Yeah, I'll stay in for Growlfulu. Growlfulu 2 Electric Boogaloo. Oh yeah. Ow. Bite. Nice. Okay. There should be an item all the way in the back here that I need. That, oh, green one. Sports ball. Captain's key. Haha, I'm not forgetting things now. Unlike the SSN ticket. No, need to go heal, and then go fight Blue. help the captain, get VHM, and then turn off the episode. 2 30-minute long episodes twice in a row. Good job, me. Bonjour. Were you really invited? So how's your Pokédex coming? I already got 40 kinds of pals. Different kinds are everywhere. Crawl around the grassy areas. Challenge my rival. Wobnub. Oh my god, Wobnub is amazing. I love them. I'm gonna try. Nice. Ow. God. Ugh! Artorias, go. Beat it before it destroys us all. Yay. Yeah. Okay. Metal sound. That's just something to lower stuff, right? I think it is. Floral leaf. I'll keep in. Oh. Bite? Hive Knight would have been way better here. Damn. Kofa Turtle. Oh no, it became a Kofa Grigus. Okay. I kind of just need to stay in. Ah, I don't like that. I much prefer your mask. Please bring your mask back. Great, turning me into Mummy. Nightshade. It's almost 1,000 experience. Not bad. Smootik. Yeah, sure. Hive Knight, go now. Of course. Why wouldn't it be the thing I wanted it to be? Okay. I'm gonna send out Bayleaf. I know they're like 4 times weak to ice. I don't think that's gonna have any ice moves, and I'd like to give some levels to someone. I'd like to give levels to someone other than Artorias for a chance. Damn it. Oh no! Never mind. We're giving more levels to Artorias. I'm sorry, everyone else. Oh no. Okay. Just do the move. Artorias. Artorias! Just need you to do the move. Oh god. Okay. Artorias is just barely surviving here. But, hey, it's level 25 now. Beat up. Yeah, I want to beat up someone after beating the small child. Interesting. I kind of want to get that instead of bite. I know bite's reliable and all that, but I don't want to use beat up. At least you're raising your Pokemon. You're not? What? Artorias is evolving. Just look at that. Houndcario. I can choose a different sprite. This is like, one of these ones is probably more like for pre-evolution, which I get, but at the same time, this one just looks so cool. And like, I am tempted to do this one because it's much more close to the Prevo, but I like this one so much more. There's a Cut Master on board. He's just a seasick old man, but Cut is useful. I'm going to go now. Okay. Yep. We get VHM. Oh. I have tamed the captain set. Yeah, flip it on. Ugh, I feel hideous. Ugh, seasick. Rub, 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 rub. I rub the captain's back. Ooh, thank you. I feel much better. You want to see my cut technique? I could show you if I wasn't ill. You know? You can have this. HM1. Cut. See Pokemon, you can see it cut anytime. The ship is staying in Rumian City for a while still. Okay, so that makes sense. That's why the Torkoal guy was like, I'll give it to someone who has the gym badge. There it is. Now, the problem, I'm gonna have to teach it to someone. And, I'm gonna teach it to I just want to teach it to Noya. So, Scratch. It's like weird. Cut isn't a horrible move, but it's just not great to have. Sorry, Noria. If I can always just find a way to get rid of it and replace it with something better. Because I have to like with scissors and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna call it there. This video went on for way longer than I thought it would. I didn't think it would stretch 36 minutes. Alright, I hope you all have a great time. Ta-ta.